What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another money making video online. Before we jump into things, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment and share for more ways to earn money online. Guys, this is going to be a pretty to the point video. We are going to be reviewing a customer service representative job lead from a company called Samsonite, and if you've never heard of them, you maybe you have seen their stuff. Samsonite is one of the leading luggage manufacturers across the world. Anytime you go to an airport, half the time you see these hard-shelled luggage pieces. A lot of them are Samsonite, and they actually have a group of companies that they offer to consumers. Not just luggage, but there's a ton of other brands that they have. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not an affiliate for them. This video is not sponsored by Samsonite, but you can look and see what other types of accessories they have. They have laptop bags and briefcases. They have wheeled briefcases, business bags, handbags and totes, duffels, you name it, anything in that space, they have it. Yeah, all right. So you will be working as a customer service rep, as I said before. They do have this remote across the United States. They have part-time and they also have a full-time option. Now both of these roles will be paying $17 per hour. Okay, and both part-time and full-time, same amount of money per hour. Just one is part-time and one is full-time. Okay, so we're going to review the part-time and just know that there is also a full-time version available. Now, the job description is as such. This is an incredibly exciting time to join Samsonite and our house of brands. Again, there are a bunch of brands that Samsonite has. Samsonite house of brands. Let's just see what they are. What other brands does Samsonite make? Okay. Yeah, it's taking a while to load. I realized since the other day it's been acting like that. I'm not sure why. Up to last week it was raining and stuff. And I could chuck it up to that. It hasn't been raining the last 2 days. Maybe the internet is on summer break. So while that loads, I'll go into the lead. Now, this is an incredibly exciting time to join Samsonite and our house of brands. We are bringing e-commerce consumer support in-house for the first time. As a consumer experience agent, you will be the frontline ambassador for our brands. We are looking for a candidate that will partner with our passionate and incredibly talented team to build a world-class consumer experience. Qualifications, minimum requirements, at least 1 year of call center experience handling inbound consumer support. Must have excellent communication and listening skills, written and oral. High level of patience when handling upset consumers. High attention to detail, ability to multitask and stay organized. Professional and friendly demeanor. Critical thinking and problem solving skills. Strong computer literacy and call center software experience. Must have reliable internet with efficient download and upload speeds. Preferred skills and industry experience. They want you to have experience working as an agent in a remote work environment. Consumer goods experience within a call center environment. CRM or e-commerce software, which include Gladly, Aptos, Hub2, SAP, and Wilkie. Microsoft software, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Teams, SharePoint. Various software, including Adobe Acrobat, Google Docs, DocuWare, Salesforce Dashboard, and SAP. And SAP by reporting. Bilingual in Spanish or French is not required but would be preferred. or not even preferred, but you'd have an advantage over everyone else, if you were bilingual in Spanish or French. So English main language, and then bilingual in Spanish or bilingual. What I'm saying is they want you to be fluent in English, and then if you have English as your whatever language, main language, they want you to have English and Spanish or English and French. If you have all three, awesome. Again, the position pays $17 per hour, and these are your responsibilities. You'll support incoming consumers via multiple media channels, which include phone, email, chat, SMS or text message, and social media. While maintaining a high level of professionalism and patience, you'll assist consumers with topics such as, but not limited to, brand, website, or product knowledge based on questions and complaints. Taking online orders, including payments, resolving returns and order complaints, communicating warranty policies and repair options. Support e-commerce sales, only inbound consumers, by driving the close of consumer support into sales opportunities, meeting and surpassing determined productive metrics and sales goals on a consistent basis. Utilize knowledge of policies along with problem-solving skills to de-escalate and resolve consumer issues. Partner with various internal departments to keep current on product, brand initiatives, e-commerce events, and system changes. Responsible for following compliance procedures, that is, PII, CCPA, cash application, audit controls, data security, etc., while supporting consumers. Note: nothing in the job description restricts management's right to assign or reassign duties and responsibilities to this job at any time. So, even though the job description gave you clear instructions as to what to do, it doesn't mean that the managers can't alter what you do within reason. Within reason is my assumption. I don't think they would hire you for this role and then ask you to go check out their company's accounting stuff. You know what I mean? I think they'll assign jobs within the scope of what you would do as a customer service rep. Alright? But that's it. That's the part-time job. The full-time will be just the same. The only difference will be the number of hours you work. They have not stated specifically how many hours minimum part-time is. They haven't. But these are the brands that Samsonite make or own. And I'm sure you've seen these everywhere. American Tourister, eBags, Gregory Mountain Product, Hartman Luggage. Everyone has seen Hartman Luggage. Everyone has seen High Sierra, Chameleon, Lipalt, and of course Samsonite. So these are all the brands that Samsonite makes, and this is their group of brands, a group of companies, or what have you, whatever you might want to call it. So guys, that's it. If you're living in the US, you are bilingual with Spanish or French, check this lead out, apply, be a ninja, kill it, slay your mission, and while you're at it, show some support, hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, for stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.